dark pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Hey y'all, so I am back with another hair video. Today's video is sponsored by WestKiss. They sent me this beautiful unit, y'all. I did go off camera and wash, conditioned, I bleached, plucked, did all of the customizations off camera, and I just pressed her out and did my side part and everything. So now we're just going to section the hair off, and I am going to use the barrel curlers today. I am not a pro with those. This is really my first time actually giving it a true shot. I've done it before, but it just did not come out right. So I'm trying it again. It's not going to be perfect, but I feel like it came out decent. It came out okay. And I'm just going to do this all over the head right here. See? Child, I don't know what I'm doing, but we're going to practice, and I'm going to get it, and I'm going to get it, and I'm going to get it until, you know, I become a pro. So yeah, I'm just going to do this all over the head, and I am going to clip it with my little clips to do like pin curls, and y'all just going to watch me. Okay, y'all, so I think it took me maybe 45 minutes to actually curl this hair, if I'm not mistaken. I wanted to kind of take my time and really learn how to, you know, do the flick of the wrist. And these are the goodies that came in my packaging. So yeah, let's get started. This is the inside of the wig. As you can see, it's a lace frontal, not a lace front, but a lace frontal. The difference is with the lace frontal, you actually get all the space there is. With the lace front, it's just those little maybe 2-inch parts on the side, so that's the difference. But anyways, we're going to take some makeup, and I do need to go and get me a darker shade, being that the season is changed. This is a little too orange for me, and it showed, but trial and error. Okay, I'm not perfect. And yeah, I just put the makeup on the lace. The lace was very thin, by the way, y'all. Like, everything was good. The only speck that I didn't like, it was this little extra piece of like hair towards the top area. You'll see it left like this little hump, and I tried to like flatten it out with my hot comb, my flat iron. It's just an extra piece of the fabric, I feel. But other than that, this wig gets a freaking, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. I'll give it a definite 8 out of 10 because everything else was spot on. We absolutely love it. It fit from ear to ear. It was very full. The luster was definitely on point. So yeah, this is definitely a great unit. So my footage from the first day actually got deleted, y'all. Content creator problems. I absolutely hate when that happens. So this is literally like 4 to 5 days later. You are gonna see the actual like makeup lining from my lace or whatever. Hey, guess what? It's okay. It is okay, okay? It happens. Everything is gonna always be perfect, but when I tell you, the luster of this hair was definitely beautiful. I got compliments on it. Like, she was that girl. And because this is like day 4, day 5, I ended up putting Flexi Rise in just to preserve the curls a bit more, and it worked. Like, this hair still has curl in it without the Flexi Rise. Like, it holds a curl really, really good. So right here, you can still see that makeup lining, y'all. I was wearing makeup heavily for the past week, like almost every day wearing makeup. So that's where that little lining comes from, me and my makeup getting on the lace. But right there, that little hump right there, y'all, I tried my hardest to like flatten it out, but I think it's just some extra cloth or whatever. But other than that, everything was just so freaking pretty. And this is a full view of how the hair looks. So bomb. If you guys are interested in purchasing, I will have all the hair details in my description box listed down below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and thank you WestKiss for sponsoring this video and sending me this bomb bomb unit. Okay.